CBSE class 10 exercise 8.1 question number 8. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So this is trigonometry. We know that trigonometry is basically used for right angle triangle. Trigonometry only applicable for right angle triangle. So first we draw a right angle triangle. This is your right angle triangle. Suppose this is your right angle triangle. Name A, B, C. Right angle at the point B. That is, this is your 90 degree. This is your angle A. So given 3 cot A is equal to 4 or cot A is equal to what? 4 by 3. We know that tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Here if this is your angle A, then base will be, this is your base, that is AB is equal to base and BC is equal to perpendicular and AC is equal to hypotenuse. Okay. So here cot A is equal to 4 by 3. That means cot A is equal to base by perpendicular. That is base is, ratio of base is to perpendicular is equal to what? 4 is to 3. So we cannot say base is equal to 4 and perpendicular is equal to 3. That is, base is not equal to 4 and perpendicular is not equal to 3. The ratio of base and perpendicular is equal to 4 is to 3. Let base is equal to 4x and perpendicular is equal to 3x. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular plus base square. So put the value of perpendicular is equal to 3x square, base is equal to what? Base is equal to 4x square is equal to 9x square plus 16x square is equal to what? Is equal to 25x square, or hypotenuse is equal to what? Root over 25x square is equal to 5x. If the ratio is 4 is to 5, we cannot say base is equal to 4, perpendicular is equal to 3. We will, in order to find out the common factor, let the common factor be x. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular plus base square. So here common factor is x. So hypotenuse is equal to what? 5x. Base is equal to what? Base is equal to 4x and perpendicular is equal to what? That is 3x. Now we find out what is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. The value of perpendicular is equal to 3x. The value of base is equal to 4x. That is 3 by 4. Similarly, the value of cos theta will be cos theta. Cos theta means here theta is equal to A. This is your angle A. Cos is equal to base by hypotenuse. Put the value, base is equal to 4x, hypotenuse is equal to 5x. So x cancel out, that is 4 by 5. That is cos A. That is sin A is equal to what? Sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Value of perpendicular is equal to 3x, value of hypotenuse is equal to 5x. is equal to 3 by 5. So let us check. Left hand side is equal to what? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Put the value 1 minus tan square a. This is your tan square theta, that will be a. Is equal to 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4 square plus 1 plus 3 by 4 square is equal to 16. 16 minus 9 y 16 plus 9. 16 cancel out, is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 by 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Okay, so left hand side is equal to 7 by 25. So what is the value of right hand side? Right hand side is equal to what? This is your right hand side, this is your left hand side. Left hand side, this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. Right hand side is equal to what? Cos square a minus sin square a is equal to cos a is equal to what? 4 by 5. This is your 4 by 5. Now sin a is equal to what? Minus sin a is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Sin a is equal to 3 by 5. So this is square here. This is square here. Is equal to what? 16 by 5 minus 9 by 16 by 25 by 9 by 25. 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 3 square 9, 5 square is equal to 25. LCM 25, that is 16 minus 9 is equal to what? 7 by 25 is equal to left hand side. So it is left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a is true. That is true. This is question number 8. Now question number 9.